So actually taking a look at how the changes have manifested themselves over the last 12, 18 months and slightly earlier than that, because pre-pandemic we started to see the changes in how people buy goods, and seeing that significant uplift in selling online, obviously massively exacerbated as we move through the pandemic and during lockdown. And it requires a very different approach to enforcement in terms of the skills and the tools needed to investigate poor and, in some instances, fraudulent practices. Officers are now seeing a growth in a largely unregulated market, making product traceability and safety potentially very difficult to take a handle on. We have large fulfillment houses now whereby you might order a product online and get it in a matter of hours. It doesn't actually pop up from China in a matter of hours. It comes through one of the large fulfillment houses whereby these products are stored and sent out locally. Again, presenting another challenge to our officers.